The sixth week of former President Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial is set to resume tomorrow with the cross-examination of Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen. Fox's CB Cotton has the latest from New York.
After 5 weeks, former President Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial is nearing its end. Monday is expected to wrap up testimony by Trump's ex-attorney, Michael Cohen, one of the final witnesses called by the prosecution as Trump's defense team completes cross-examination.
The prosecution's case is so weak that it's very hard to imagine that anyone can look at this and think that President Trump is truly guilty of a crime, because he is not.
Once Cohen is done testifying, prosecutors appear poised to rest their case. Still, Trump's lead lawyer, Todd Blanche, left open the possibility that Trump could take the witness stand himself, telling the judge last week he planned to discuss the possibility with the former president over the weekend. Throughout the case, Trump has been barred from publicly commenting on witnesses and jurors due to an ongoing gag order. But Thursday, nearly a dozen House Republicans flocked to the Manhattan courthouse, lending their support to Trump and speaking out on his behalf.
They want to be in his cabinet. They want to curry favor with him. They want to audition for being his running mate. It's just sad.
Trump maintains he is innocent of any wrongdoings and says the case is an attempt to keep him off the campaign trail with less than 6 months remaining until Election Day. Meantime, President Joe Biden, speaking to voters, took aim at Trump while campaigning in Detroit.
As they say where I come from, this guy's a different breed of cat. He's not your typical Republican.
The judge told lawyers to be ready for closing arguments as soon as Tuesday. In New York, CB Cotton, Fox News.